Hey guys, we're back, and today we'll be fixing some wiper blades, and we're on a 2019 Traverse, and I believe that there's two different sizes here. The driver's side takes a 24-inch and the passenger side takes a 20-inch blade. So let's take a look at the blades that we've got. So this is what we went with. It is the Rain-X, and they've got silicone on them. It's supposed to last twice as long, supposed to remove more water in a swipe. They're freakishly expensive. They're about 30 bucks, but I thought, why not give it a try? If it lasts twice as long, maybe the cost is worth it. So let's get these installed. Alright, first thing you're going to want to do is pull this up, and there's a latch right here. You just flip that up, and then these come right off of there. You got to slide it down and then out. And while we're unboxing this, be sure to slowly lower that down, because if you bump it and it comes crashing down, it could crack your windshield. You don't want that. So this is the 24-inch wiper blade. And it's got a clip on it as well. Okay, so this has got a locking mechanism in it, and what you do is there's two pieces here that you got to squeeze, and then you just rotate it up, and then you can slide your J-hook in there. So let's do that. Put it in there and push it all the way forward, and then just push that down, and the yellow piece that's on there just slides right off. And that's just a protective cover for your silicone. That one's done. Let's do the other side. Alright. Take that out of there. Flip that cap up. Pull down and out. And we'll press on the tabs, lift it up, put the new one on. Flick it in place, remove that, and we're good to go, folks. Alright, we're inside the vehicle now. Let's see if they work. Pretty good, really. They work a lot better than the stock ones, I think. There's no streaks. I mean, we got some bug guts still up there, but that'll come out in the car wash. Well, we got them on. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.